Magandang araw mga Kalbros! Ako po si Benji Paras, dating pro, ngayon Kalbro.
And I'm Casey Montero, also Kalbo, and your favorite sports kakwentuhan, here to bring you all of the good stuff from the hard court and to welcome you all to
Basketball with the Kalbros. Hindi pa rin tayo sabay. Anyway, para updated kayo palagi sa mga episode natin, i-follow nyo lahat ng socials namin and hit the notification bell on Spotify.
I know, hit the notification bell.
I'm sorry. Notification bell.
Okay. You better? You need a drink.
Yeah, I need a drink.
Okay, so with us today, oh man, it's an honor. This is it's once in a lifetime that this happens. I mean, you guys have shared the court many times, but this is the first time that I'll have a chance to interview this guy, the man who lives up to the heart over height, the one and only Flying A, Johnny Abrientos.
Okay.
Johnny, hey, man. The legend. Sorry.
Johnny.
Parang na-shock ako dun.
Tama naman tayo nagpalakpakan, dalawa.
Salamat sa lahat na nagpalakpakan. And,
yung mga ano lang, andyan lang yan.
Yes. Very honored, no? And
honored.
Always my pleasure, no? To have you, especially si Kuya Benji.
Yes.
Sobrang haba ng preparation na to eh. parang kahapon lang.
Parang ilang oras lang, ano? Pwede ka mag-examine. Pwede? Okay, let's go. Let's do it.
Walang tanong. Nalaman ko si Kuya Benji. Patay ako dito, hindi ako makatanggi.
So thank you talagang hindi siya tumanggi.
Ikaw nag-text.
Ako. Tinext ko rin. So anyway.
Hindi ka lang host dito, pati talent coordinator.
TC ako rito. Okay, ano mga bigyan natin siya ng recap nung nakaraan. Guest namin sila Ronnie and Jolly. Ano ba ang piniri nila eh? Meron kaming segment eh. Head to head kayo ni Alvin eh. Ang pinili nila si Alvin. May masasabi ka ba ron?
Siguro doon height over height. Kasi obvious eh. Pero I think they have bad days.
Waiting for
Close. Pwede tayo mag-compete Like sabi nga ni brother Case na heart over height. Over height, hindi. Heart over height talaga. Ako genuinely believe ako ron. Sobra yung yung naging case to case sa akin nung na-mention mo na yun. Yun lang yung pinanghawakan ko eh when I started to begin. Kasi at first parang kaya ko bang bumatal dito sa Land of the Giants, di ba? To begin with, parang ang hirap huminga. Hindi ko alam saan ako kukuha.
Nung nag-start ka ba maglaro, nabubuli ka ba? Na parang, huwag kang
yes.
Sali to rito, lit-lit.
Yes. Tsaka ako kasi, Kuya Bench, nung una, gusto kong makipaglaro sa mga mas older than me. Hindi yun talagang kabatch ko. Siguro yung isang way din na mas maaga ako na-develop. Kasi yung mga players na gusto kong makalaro, yung talagang mas matanda sa akin. And yet, nakatulong sa akin ng sobra. Kasi parang advance yung natututunan ko eh. Pati yung mga, alam mo na, panggugulang, yung mga panlalamang, di ba? Part yun eh.
Especially sa guard. Kasi akala ko, like being a big man on the team, you will take all the dirty works. Hindi. Yes. Grabe ang guardia. Grabe ang guard. As in, hindi mo na makikita kasi mabilis.
Yes.
Pero grabe yung tirahan. Grabe.
Sobra. Yung tagaan, di ba? Yung, alam mo, yung chop here and there.
May sakay para yung to create space, di ba? May suntok.
Yes.
May suntok.
Tapos lalo kay Johnny kasi he's not the average build of a point guard. Yes. So I'm sure over your career you were beaten and punched and kicked and
grabe. Correct. With the time when I was there, di ba? Halos inabot ko yung batch nila Coach Robert Jaworski eh. Yung, alam mo, Onche de la Cruz, yung mga players na
Rudy Distrito.
Parang, diba? And basketball was so different then eh. Kasi nga yung isang foul na.
And also they introduced the no harm, no foul.
Yep.
Yeah.
So hanggat if you have no blood, it's not a foul.
So yung toughness, parang given yun for me eh, di ba? Nung na-experience ko yun, sabi ko, grabe, iba pala talaga yung basketball ng PBA.
Iba.
Diba? For me, kailangan ko sumurvive eh. Kasi sinabi mo nga, para sa size ko, kung di ako mabubuli, tatamaan ako ng solid na screen. Every now and then.
Pero you've been fighting your whole career, your whole life in basketball, di ba?
Yes, I have no choice para makasurvive. And of course, maybe I have one step, ahead of them because of my quickness. That's the only thing I have. So siguro, most of the time, yun yung kailangan kong gawin. So I will make sure ako yung doble na super condition na player para hindi nila ako abutan. Simple as that. Diba? Kasi hard foul that time
So nung bata ka, sabihin nakatulong yung merong mga nambubuli sa'yo na matatanda yung kalaban mo.
Yes, exactly right, Kuya Benji. Kasi naramdaman ko na yung feeling na nasasaktan ka. Alam mo, pustahan, yelo-yelo, soft drinks, di ba? Side basketball. Ayoko magpatalo kasi syempre ayoko bumili ng yelo kahit sabihin mo ng piso or 50 pesos nung time na yun. That's the way my competitive built. Yung ganun, nag-last siya hanggang nadala ko siya. Nung in-embrace ko na sabi ko kaya ko to. Yung na-experience ko dito sa mga side basketball, interbarangays, Mayor Cup, outside ng eskwela, parang pag step in ko dun sa college basketball, parang okay na pala ako, kaya ko na. Kailangan ko lang maintindihan yung basic basketball, yung fundamentals. Kasi yun naman yung ibang turo from side basketball to yung totoong basketball, yung reality na basketball na 5-on-5, offense, defense, yung gano'n. Kasi wala naman gano'n sa pick-up games di ba?
Wala. I can imagine the frustration of players playing against Johnny. That's sa speed niya, di ba? Siyempre, parang, di ba, when people fight Pacquiao, they're like, oh.
Yes.
So siguro yung mga, the people that are guarding, like, puta, asan si Johnny? Ando na.
So yun ba, paano mo na-develop? As in, ganun kan talaga. As in, Johnny A na ako I'm this guy, I'm quick. Ganon? Or dinevelop mo pa yun?
Hindi. Actually, to be honest, kwento akong konting istorya. Na-develop ko siya siguro. Help me out so much because of my dancing technique. Kasi I used to dance before.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hindi ko na sabi, lang, for the record, member siya ng Knapsack. Please search Knapsack dance group. At magaling siya magsayaw.
Old school. Kasi parang I love dancing before. Kasi my mom and my dad used to dance talaga. Pag may mga occasion sa amin, nagsasayawan kaming pamilya. So yung Abarientos clan, almost all of us dancers. So na-adapt ko yun until such time na mag-basketball ako. So parang andali ng coordination sa akin. Kamay at paa. Parang yung bola, andali ko siyang i-shake for me. Kasi yung agility nung paa ko tsaka nung kamay ko, sobrang bilis. For me. Siguro yun yung naging advantage ko rin. One of the biggest advantage I have nung nag-pro ako. Parang feeling ko, parang ang bagal nung nasa harapan ko. Parang ang bilis ko mag-shift.
Parang
ng gear.
Spider-Man,
Oo, parang ang bilis. To be honest, sabi ko siguro ito yung advantage na kaya kong gawin para makasurvive ako. And yet, siguro yun nga yung na-bless ako ng talent ng pagsasayaw. Nadala ko siya sa ball court. Nung nakumbine ko siya, parang mas dumali yung sobrang worried ako na sabi ko baka hindi ako
sabihin yung pagiging magaling mo sumayaw, parang yun yung nagbigay sa'yo ng parang perfect rhythm.
Yes.
Kasi pag nakikipag one-on-one ka, it's not like yung hard one-on-one. Sa kanya parang may
Yes.
merong move.
Yes.
Sorry. Don't hurt yourself, Benj. Don't hurt yourself.
Hindi. Hindi ko may balik. Yung pag pinanood mo, nakakatuwa Kaya
it's a dance. It's a dance.
Yes, it's a dance.
Exactly.
That would have been really nice for you to have, alam mo yung mga taunts ngayon, di ba? Yung cooking or when you shoot, tapos, did you ever have one, tapos, okay, you made a layup, tapos,
nga, hindi pa kita nakita. Hindi, no?
Hindi, parang naging second nature ko na yung ginagawa ko kasi sa practice kasi I does that a lot. Every time paulit-ulit kong ginagawa. Kung yung shooter like Steph Curry shooting 500, 1,000 shots a day, ako I does that every opportunity na meron. Gusto pa nga may challenge Big man challenge. Yung mga siyempre Jordan fan ako So yung time ni Jordan, gusto ko laging paint touch ako para ma-challenge ko yung big man. That's how I approach the game. Kasi alam ko hindi sila makaka-contain sa harapan ko Alam ko at some point mabibit ko sila because of siguro yung quickness na bless ako ni Lord sobra.
Kaya
I'm very thankful.
Kaya every time na during the game na nakalusot siya, nakashoot sa amin, sisigawan ko yung mga guard. Kasi kung hindi nakalusot sa inyo, hindi kami mapapahiya. Pahiya kami. Di ba?
Sobrang very well said yung sinabi ni Kuya Benji na alam mo yun, yung shake and bake na movement, yung panahon nila Tim Hardaway. Tsaka yung Allen Iverson, yun yung one of my idols, di ba? Parang breaking ankle every now and then. Kumbaga, hindi ka naman binabastos, pero ganun yung magiging itsura mo pag you try to defend him.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Hindi naman bastos, pero bastos pa rin.
that's the
part of the game,
that's the purpose
of
being like that.
Yeah. Well, speaking of the NBA, and I don't know if we're allowed to do this, but we always talk about the possibility of Johnny A, playing in the NBA. But like we've said it a bunch of times. I've said it plenty of times. I've heard it, but let's hear it from you.
Yes.
Ano nangyari dyan?
What's the real story? Kasi lagi sinasabi, ano yan, dapat maglaro sa NBA. So yung iba, puro ganun eh. So now, please.
Okay, take it away, no?
Take it away.
I'm very pleased, no, to say some words dun sa NBA story na yun about. It's a true, no, na may dumating na scout from Charlotte. His name was Joe Betancourt. He was I'm not pretty sure if he's one of the owner, pero alam ko siya yung scout ng Charlotte. He watched our game against Pure Foods, and luckily, I named best player in that game. So parang siyempre, pressure ako kasi alam ko manonood siya, but I never noticed na ganun yung magiging approach niya sa akin if I'm interested to play with the Charlotte Hornets. Ganun agad eh. Tapos yung secondly, sabi niya, gusto mo bang mag-training camp sa Charlotte Hornets? Are you available or are you willing to go? Parang ganun. So siyempre ako overwhelmed behind my wildest dream na sabi ko, totoo ba to? On that time kasi hindi ako naka-react eh. So pwede pala. Pero Coach Tim approaches also na different way kasi parang seryoso ba to? Parang ganun din yung dating kay Coach Tim. So we never talk about it, we never mention it. Pero ang alam ko, Coach Tim said it also to Boss Fred Whitings to that time when I was with Alaska na interesado yung Charlotte kay Johnny. Kasi nung time na yon parang nasa semifinals yung Alaska. So ongoing yung PBA. So Coach Tim also was having hard time to decide kung totoo ba to, papupuntahin ko pa si Johnny, tapos hindi naman pala totoo. Sayang yung time. Kaya hindi rin namin siya napag-usapan ng ganung kalalim. Until such time na bumalik si Joe Betancourt sa Charlotte. Kasi nangyari yon, yung issue na yon, parang nagka-interest ang Charlotte na kumuha ng Asian players because of Muggsy Bogues. Kasi he was close to retirement na eh. So gusto ng Charlotte isang Asian player yung makuha niya. Well, pag sinabi yung Asian players, most probably maliit lang na players, di ba? Then, Kinito Henson, parang nagpadala siya ng send him a copy of my game. Ito yung mga players sa PBA ngayon na pwede mong makita. Ito yung mga VHS, exactly.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos parang nagka-interest siya na pumunta rito kasi parang okay yung competition. Yun na nga, eksakto pa when he arrived, PBA games, Alaska versus Pure Foods. Tapos we won, I named best player, tapos yun, in-interview niya ako. He invited me and Coach Tim where he was staying in, if I'm not mistaken, Manila Peninsula pa that time.
Manila Pen, okay.
In-invite niya kami for dinner so we can talk about it. Hindi pa rin ako makapaniwala eh. Pero me and Coach Tim going there para makausap namin siya. Para i-clarify nga everything kung talagang seryoso. Kasi parang first Asian sana yun na nakapaglaro ng NBA. Before yun, Kuya Benz, Wang Shishi. Before Yao Ming.
Anong year yan?
I think after
98 o
97 after we won a Grand Slam, something like that eh. Kaya ang ganda rin ng ng era kasi kakapanalo lang namin ng Grand Slam and I named MVP nung time na yun. That's my most memorable. So parang sobrang hype nung career ko, nung basketball ng PBA.
That would be with all your idols ng basketball, di ba?
Yes. Yun, Michael Jordan time yun. Sabi ko nga, pwede ako magpa-picture nito. Di ba? Habang naglalaro, magpapa-picture ka lang kay Michael Jordan.
Kung ako, isipin ko yun.
Wow.
Ano to? Ankle break.
Kaya even me, ngayon pag tinatanong sa akin, ba't hindi na, anong nangyari dun sa NBA? Ayoko na rin pag-usapan, to be honest. Kasi syempre, regret at my back. Parang opportunity, fly out. Ganun talaga eh. Siguro hindi pa yun yung way ni Lord para makarating ako ron. Siguro maybe 10 to 15 years from now. Pero kaya natin, to be honest. Isang Pinoy lalaron. Kasi when we are with the Centennial Team, 98, nag-training kami ng states. So we played every NCAA 1 division players like Kian Duling, yung mga nag-NBA before, na-experience ko na kaya natin kumumpit. If they added me another 5-6 inches height, may ibang usapan na yun. Diba? Sobrang kaya.
Wala ka na rito.
Yun na nga Siguro yun din yung way. Hindi ka pwedeng maging sobrang galing pag lumaki ka pa. So siguro yun yung isang way ni Lord. Kaya yung mga big man sa atin, eto lang yung galing nila. Kasi big man na sila Meron na silang gift. Kumbaga may capital na sila to be there. Ako, kailangan kong, alam mo yun, magtrabaho ng doble. Kasi undersized ako para maglaro dun Pero I prove it to them na every point guard dreaming about to be there, kaya nila. Kasi may nag-prove na That's one thing I hold on na sobrang happy ako and honored. Tapos nun, dumunod na sila Jimmy, diba? Jason Castro. So pwede. Pwede talaga. As long na love mo yung ginagawa mo, sobrang pwede.
Okay, so now that we know this story, I think it is time for us to let's take a look back into some more history. Let's head into our next segment called The Replay. All right, welcome to The Replay, everybody. Johnny, let's look back at how you have become and is still one of the best players in the history of Filipino basketball. So from being picked third overall in the PBA draft, first, did you feel like you should have been first?
Teka, sino ba yung first nung time na yun?
Jun Limpot.
Jun Limpot.
Yes.
Sino second?
Victor Pablo.
Big.
Teammates ni Kuya Ben.
Should he be first?
Ano yun kasi mga
Big Ben.
Mga Jurassic Jurassic draft.
Mga Brontosaurus.
Yes.
I can never imagine naman talaga na magiging top pick ako that time.
Where would you go? If kung number one?
Sa Santa Lucia ka?
Yes, for sure, Santa Lucia. Because with my experience and my own opinion, most of the time, if there's a pick, bigger player, diba? Yung napupunta. Ano na yun, almost automatic yun. Best big player, number one. Parang ganun. Even me na grabe yung, alam mo na, sinasabi nilang credential and everything. But still, kasi that's my normal That's my normal height. That's everyone's normal height here in the Filipino culture. So, ang daming guards na pwede ka makuha. Even Coach Tim, he can never imagine na kukunin niya ako. At first. Kasi, Coach Tim was a famous fanatic of Chicago Bulls that time. What they compose. Big guards, Scottie Pippen, di ba? Michael Jordan. Kaya so, ayaw niya ng small guard. So, he looked for bigger guard para ma-complete niya yung Chicago Bulls era na ginagaya niya nung my time. So after I got drafted, parang nag-try out ako for a week bago ako nabigyan ng kontrata. Kasi hindi talaga ma-convince ni Sir Waki Trillo, Boss Waki, that our manager in that time na kunin mo yan si Johnny, okay yan. So just to be sure, sige, mag-ensayo ka muna.
Wow.
For a while. Then nung nag-practice ako, parang oops, teka.
Okay.
Oops, teka.
Okay, real
parang,
deal. No.
Parang walang makakatcha. Parang ganun ang dating. Parang wala yata makastay one-on-one dito. Kasi lahat medyo, yun na nga, yung breaking ankle na sinasabi. Then the next day, go to the office. Sign a contract. Yun, ganun lang.
How many ankles have you broken in your history? He should have insurance plan. Dapat may Johnny A insurance plan for yung mga kalaban
kaya
niya.
yung mga guards na who's defending him, alam yung alam yung itsura ng shadow niya. Yun na lang yung nakikita
So chase the shadow.
Ano itsura niya? No, ito yung shadow niya, yung description ng shadow. Ganun siya kabilis.
His name should be The Shadow. Yeah. So did you feel na you had to prove yourself in the PBA? I mean, you've had to prove yourself every step of the way.
Yes, I need to. Kasi before started, idol ko lahat ng mga nakikita ko, especially guards. Yun yung yun yung parang motivation for me para ma-challenge ko yung sarili ko para umabot ako dun. I need to do double extra. Parang meron akong hiding conditioning technique na ginagawa for me. Parang ako lang yung nakakaalam nun yung ginagawa ko. Para pagdating ko dun sa PBA itself, meron akong sariling parang meron akong weapon na sariling dala-dala na oops, medyo eto yung magiging problema nila for me. Kasi wala namang gumagawa nito sa PBA Parang feeling ko ako lang So, let's see, we'll try. Alam mo yun? Then I did that every day, every single day.
Ano yun? Nagsasayaw siya lagi.
Exactly. Yun yung yun yung pre-game Kasi may pre-game meal di ba? Yung mga PBA. Ako, yun yung pinaka pre-game meal.
Dance.
Yes. ginagawa ko yun. Kasi doon ako kumukuha ng ng rhythm. Parang ini-imagine ko na ganito yung mangyayari sa game. So, yung quickness nung sayo na ginagawa ko, parang nako-convert ko siya doon sa court.
Do you still dance today?
I can try.
Here's the
Hindi, ngayon ako upo ako kahit yung leeg ko.
So I know, alam
Gary
mo na. You know what to do with your kid, okay?
Dance
first.
mo na. Okay, dance.
Even me, sorry sa lahat ng mga basketball fanatic dreaming about to go to the next level, they need to learn how to dance.
Totoo yan.
Seryoso
Is
to
it dance or footwork?
Kasi dance is included the footwork
kasama na yan.
Parang yung agility na ginagawa ng mga professional players, pag marunong ka sumayaw, that's easy for you.
At syempre, hindi ka mukhang tanga sa party. Diba?
Hirap magsayaw para yung kaliwa paa.
Kaso hindi naman ako naging kasing galing niya. Kasi breakdance yung ginawa ko.
Break bones
Head
lang.
spin.
Head spin. Kaya nawalan ako ng buko.
Pero may classic matchup ka. Or di ba there's the matchup between Jordan and Iverson when Iverson was a rookie, I think. And I think he might have broke Jordan's ankles. Did you ever have a moment like that in the PBA?
Oh yes. Marami.
Diba, when you were against you parang idol mo or against someone that you looked up to.
Ito nga yung kick na medyo kasi most of my idols na nakalaban ko sila Of course, number one, Boss Hector Calma.
The best.
That's why I call him boss kasi naging boss ko siya sa Coca-Cola when I used to play na manager namin siya. So I respect him a lot. So isa lang yung request niya sa akin when we face each other. Sabi niya, you can shoot over me, but please. Sabi niya, wag mo na akong drivean. Please, yun lang. Ni-respect ko. Sabi ko, of course naman, of all people dito, sabi ko, hindi ko kayang gawin sa'yo yan. Idol, sabi ko sa kanya. Kasi, obviously, that's why I'm wearing number 14. Because of Hector Calma.
Hector Calma is one of the parang isa sa mataas na IQ.
Yes, one of the that's why they call him the director.
As in talagang he's one of the best guards.
But if you were to drive, what would happen?
Wala.
Ikot shadow.
Ano yung tsura niya? Yung shadow niya. Yun lang yun.
Siguro, maybe nga yung shadow. Kasi Kuya Case, nung time ko, parang
saka yung age agape.
Imagine he was 10 years older than me. So, parang, diba? Sobrang layo na rin talaga Kaya, pero siguro kung yung era, well, they are the GOAT on their own eras.
Yeah.
Iba yun
Hindi, kung kasabay mo siya nung era nung babagsakan na lang.
Diba?
Whoop!
Diba?
Sabi ko wag
Kaya na-bless ako kasi tapos na rin talaga sila nung dumating kami. Kaya hindi na rin ako nahirapan. We almost play each other na lang. Kami nila Limpot, ni Pablo, kami na lang na halos magkakabatch. Sila kasi parang tapos na rin So, with respect to them, sobrang ang dami namin natutunan.
Buti nakinig ka. Kasi nung time ko, si Kuya Ricky Relosa, sinabihan ako, wag ka nang drive. Shoot mo na lang. Drumive pa rin ako.
Dinaktakan mo.
Na in-introduce niya yung sahig sa akin. Yan.
Welcome.
Benji, that's the floor. Floor, Benji, floor. Kaganon ako.
Did you learn your lesson?
Yes.
Yes.
Pag siya yung kalaban ko, he'll give me space. So, medium range.
Yes.
Wag ka na lang kasi parang sa kanila, parang respeto
Yes.
But that's a different era of basketball, diba? That was the tough era of basketball that we always talk about.
Kasi in time ko, konti lang naman yung difference namin. Pero naabutan pa rin niya yung...
Yes. Solidly, I'm blessed kasi I played with Coach Robert Jaworski. I played with Coach Kuya Benji and Alvin. Diba? Two of the toughest. Tapos, I played with Jason Castro. And Jimmy Alapag. So, grabe yung era. 3 generation na sobrang... Kaya even today, I'm so blessed. Sobrang blessed ako sa career.
But you know what they say? All of those people, they say, I played with Johnny A.
Yes. Yun din yung sinasabi nila.
And I'm very blessed,
Yeah.
Na na-experience ko makalaro nung hindi lang sobrang galing na player, sobrang talino ng mga player.
I won't be able to say that I played with Johnny A, but by the end of this show, I will say that I danced with Johnny A.
Yeah, mama.
Nice.
Dance with my Johnny A.
Let's go.
Okay, so you've won 12 PBA championships, right?
Yes.
Around 12.
Yes.
12, grabe.
12, yeah. Among those, which was the pinaka parang memorable para sa iyo?
Well, like I mentioned earlier, my our Grand Slam era, no? That's what 1996. Kasi that's the year also I got married.
Oh, 96. That was
and that's also I won my MVP. So sobrang blessed ako. I named also Mythical first team, Mythical second team. Yun nga, best player of the conference, then yung MVP.
Grabe, lahat na.
Parang magaling siya, no?
Sobrang sobrang
lahat kinuha, no? Yeah. Parang it's parang
sobrang happy, kuya.
Parang every player's dreaming of parang that's the ultimate dream of a PBA player to won the Grand Slam.
Yeah.
Named the season MVP and be the finals MVP. Sabihin na finals MVP, you're the hero.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ikaw ang hero niya.
I mean, I believe that every athlete wants to win a championship, right? That's always, okay, team first championship. Okay, sige, we won the championship, the Grand Slam. Okay, tapos
Pero yung
the personal ones.
Hindi ba reason why the team won?
Yeah.
Because of you. Iba na yan.
Yung isa pang memorable dito, when I won the Grand Slam under Coach Tim as my coach. And we won the second Grand Slam under Coach Tim as my head coach and I'm the assistant coach with San Mig Coffee.
Yeah.
So sobra talaga. Assistant coach, player, parang
full
magkaroon ka
circle,
sa belt nun, di ba? Parang ang hirap.
Did you ever tell Coach Tim parang, hey coach, remember you made me try out,
Yeah. Almost.
Yeah.
So alam ni Tim Cone yung kanyang lucky charm.
Okay.
Yes.
So the nickname Flying A, may kwento sa name na yan, or bakit
Actually,
hindi yung Flying the Dancing A?
Oo.
The Dancing A. Parang at first they call me the Flash. Pero parang kay kay Balda Video ni parang kay Bal eh. So, yung moniker na kasi minsan yun nga medyo nagpo-post ako sa ere. Siguro yun doon na I think someone named me Flying A, parang Kinito Henson eh. And Seb Sarmienta, parang silang dalawa yung nun, partner eh, nung tinawag yung, lumabas yung Flying A na eh. O parang perfect yun, Flying A, parang pwede natin, kasi may mga may mga highlights ako na
Flying talaga.
yun na, medyo yung kili-kili shot natin kay Benji dati.
Yes.
Poster.
Yes, posterize. Yes.
Alam mo yung sa PBA dati, drumive yan. Lumayap. Nag-brown out. After a few minutes, nagka-ilaw. Andun pa rin siya. Ayun pa rin yung posing niya. Andun. So, sabihin, ganun siya katagal. Ang hirap.
Floating A.
Pero yan, ngayon, kwentong barbero na tayo. Ngayon, tapos na tayo sa usapang throwback. Alamin naman natin ang mga picks ni Johnny A dito sa next segment natin. Tara na, sa main event, ang The Main Event, anong pick mo?
All right, welcome back to the main event. At this point, we will now look at Johnny's best teammates right here on this very classic.
Yan ang ating classic smart.
Super smart. Yeah.
Smart lang.
Smart board.
Hindi ko alam. Meron pa siyang kita mo yung red lining. Oh, yan. Bihira yan. Wag mo na laki yan.
Low bat.
Todo na yan. Okay, ito yung mga former teammates mo. So, pwede ka mag-base sa iba't ibang criteria, playing style, o pwedeng personal bonding nyo, tapos o kaya yung connection nyo, or bahala ka. Pero sa akin kasi parang dapat it's regarding basketball. Di ba? It's, kumbaga parang, kasi pag sinabi mong parang merong criteria ng friendship, medyo iba eh. So, lugi. So, ito dapat.
Parang sira yung pixels nito. Kasi
Tinan mo
black and white lang eh.
Walang
Black and white.
hindi siya colored.
Okay.
So, piliin mo lang kung sino sa'yo yung best of the two. Ito, unahin natin si Jojo A and Kevin Ramos.
Siguro, it depends on the position. Pero for me, siguro, better is Jolas, no?
Jolas.
Kasi all-around player.
Hindi, saka pag kailangan mo ng puntos.
Yes, Mr. Fourth Quarter Man.
Oo, eh.
That was easy, no?
Yeah, that's easy.
Okay, dito naman tayo. Nako,
Yan
ito
ang medyo,
mahirap.
yan ang medyo mahirap.
Jeffrey Carriazo and Kenneth Dorente.
Oh, that's what he looked like with hair.
Yeah.
Pero I think magbe-base ako dito on of course MVP, 'di ba? 40 greatest player,
Yes.
Kenneth Durandez.
Kenneth
And
Durandez.
Jeffrey Carriazo was named the last couple of months or years na 50th greatest
50 na?
player
Yeah,
naman. No?
nasama na siya.
They're almost similarity on their games, but of course mas scorer si Kenneth. Pero ako kasi as a defensive guard, no? Siguro I choose the defensive player. Kasi they can both score anytime they wanted.
Pero iba yung marunong dumipes.
Iba yung both ends. I'm not saying Kenneth Durandez has no defense.
That's all I hear. That's
No, he can. But if he wanted, sabi ganun.
Pasok, Kenneth.
Pagod na kasi.
Yes,
Kaka-opensa.
yes, kaka-opensa, maybe. So, I think I go for Coach Jeffrey Carriazo.
Actually, pwede kasi yan, Jeffrey Carriazo, then Jolas or Kenneth ang maglaban.
Yes, ang maglaban.
Pero hindi, nauna na si Jolas. Okay. Doon sa ating other side, meron tayong import.
Yes, ano to? Both post player,
Oo.
di ba? Undersized post player. Sean
Undersized
Chambers.
pero grabe naman.
solid.
Hirap na
Sean
hirap ako
Chambers.
dyan.
Solid.
Sean Chambers and ito yata yung pinakamaliit na post-up player.
Yep.
I'm taller than him.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
Sean Chambers.
Yes, he's only 6'1", 6'2".
6'2", pero grabe pumusap. Galing.
Solid, yeah. Solid.
Parang Barkley, diba? Barkley was
6'4".
6'4" in a world of, American giants. Right?
7-footer.
Grabe yun. Sobra.
Ayan, si Poch Winyo and Sean Chambers.
I think I go over Sean Chambers.
Siyempre.
Yes. Parang
Yes.
Mr. 100%.
Oo.
Parang
Sige.
given eh. Given.
Diyan ikaw na yung maglipat.
Yes.
Touchscreen lang yan. Touchscreen.
Okay.
Yan.
There.
Okay. Now, last but not the least.
Mali yata ako eh.
Oo. Actually, ikaw.
Same.
Yan. Bong Hawkins and
Dickie Bachman. Parehas post player, no?
Hindi, saka pareho may tira sa labas.
Yes, parehong
Oo,
shooter.
mga shooter pareho yan eh.
Ba't di ba mukhang missionary?
Skyhook lang isa.
Yung isa merong jump hook na di ba?
Jump hook
Pamatay.
na hindi mo maintindihan eh. Kung paano niya na-shoot.
Shoot. Pero I think I go for Bong Hawks. It's
Bong Hawk.
because he play more minutes eh. Di ba? Parang,
Totoo naman yun.
yes. Shooter din. Handle the balls pretty well from time to time pagka we needed.
Yeah, saka pag sa press break, nakakababa ng
Yes,
bola.
nakababa
Pag
ng bola.
na-pressure kayo.
Correct. Oh.
So, Bong Hawkins.
Okay, I go
Si
for
Bong.
Bong Hawkins.
Sorry, Dickie.
Sorry, Dick.
Dickie, sorry.
Okay. Parang,
Stay there, Dick.
hindi. Parang missionary yan. Hawak siya ng Bible.
Itsura.
Okay, moving on to the moving on to the
Ito maganda.
semifinals.
Ito maganda. Jolas and Jeff.
Ito yung medyo mabigat na battle. Can both also play with the post.
Pareho.
Better shooter, Jolas.
Defense.
Pero if you ask me, last minute, I need a basket.
Clutch. Sino
At
mas
least
clutch?
90%. Yes. Siguro, obviously, I go for the import. Still import. Whatever it is. Diba? Parang parang Governor's Cup. Yung kabilang team, walang import, ikaw meron. Advantage na kagad, diba? So, you go to your import.
Hindi, kung Jolas and Carriazo.
Jolas and Carriazo.
Yeah.
Jolas, Carriazo.
Well, now we know Keyshawn versus
Oh, yes. Pero
I
hindi.
think-
itong dalawa.
I think still Jolas. for me.
Jolas.
Yes.
Kahit legit point guard si Jeff.
Yes. Kahit legit point guard si Jeff. Kasi kailangan ko yung leadership ng isang Jojo Lastimosa.
Totoo
Especially
naman.
last quarter. That's why they call him the
Yeah.
Mr. Fourth Quarter man.
So, kaya
may
ginagamit
something-
siya every fourth quarter lang. Hindi. Joke lang yun.
Make something special. So,
Yes, yes.
Jolas.
Jolas.
Okay, in the finals.
Yan. Ito medyo rin eh. Well, Sean and Bong.
Eto medyo mahirap. Medyo parehong solid at the post. Can both,
Parehong post-up player.
Parehong
Ay,
post-up
tayo nang
player.
mahirap bantayan yun.
Yes.
Ako nahirapan sa kanila.
Pero for me, I think I still go with Sean Chambers.
Oo naman. Iba eh.
Okay.
Bye, Bong.
Yan.
Yeah, this is iPaper.
So yan yung nanalo sa ating head-to-head.
Head-to-head.
Okay, ito na. Finals
Ito na.
na. Finals.
Finals.
Jolas.
Jolas and
versus
Sean.
Versus Sean.
Kumbaga ito na yung last pick. Nakaupo sila pareho.
Meron bang ano dito? Meron bang dahil close? Dahil ano?
No.
Tinanggal ko na Gawin ko na lang sa game.
No,
Kunyari,
personal
you're in the-
feelings.
No personal
Yeah.
Oh, you're in the situation na you're going to pick one
Yeah.
player na nakaupo.
You're
Na
going-
you need to pick them and play the crucial moment.
Yeah. You're going to battle. Choose one.
Ito yung pinakamahirap na move na gagawin ko. Pero for me, I think I still go with the import.
Sean pa rin.
Sean.
Sean.
pa rin, siguro. So,
So, yun. So, I guess natapos na.
Sean.
Sorry, Joe.
Maintindihan naman ni Joe yan kasi yung katapat niya, hindi naman local player.
yes.
So how was it like playing with both of them?
Solid. I describe it solid. Easy to play with. They easily understand the basketball, the game itself. And when I need it the most, when I got trapped, each of them,
Right there.
you can rely on them solidly. They will step up.
Okay, so now we need to find out third place, the battle for third place. So we've got Jeff and we've got Bong.
I think I go for Jolas.
No, Jeffrey and Bong.
And Bong?
See,
Jolas is second. Oh, I think I go for Jeff.
Kasi meron ka ng Sean.
Yes, kasi Sean can play
okay,
multiple position eh.
let's just do it for fifth place then. Okay, all four. Okay, go.
So, si Johnny A na yung andyan dapat.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Sabi ka na.
Ito, si Johnny.
Buo
A.
na yung triangle.
Pero yan, ang lakas niya. No? Isipin mo, Johnny.
This is your bench. This is
Yes.
your bench. This is a nice
Exactly.
bench,
This is
yeah.
our bench. This is the one, almost won the Grand Slam. Back to
Yan yung na
back.
Grand Slam. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The picks of Johnny A. Nice job. You have made it. I don't think you have. I don't think you've offended anybody here, except maybe Kenneth.
Yes, yes. You're right.
No,
Sorry.
no, no.
Sorry, brother.
Isipin mo yung apat na yan with Johnny A. Hindi pwedeng may iwan dyan eh. So lahat yan may guard. So ang hirap. Especially during that time we have defensive alignment, di ba?
Yes, one-on-one.
Ang hirap.
Yes.
So,
Every one of them can play one-on-one easily.
yeah.
So,
Kaya sila nag-Grand Slam eh.
and one more thing I want to add, no? That's why I cut Kenneth because he's not included in the Grand Slam.
Okay. Tama.
So, etong team na to.
Bawi na.
Nakabawi na.
Nakabawi.
Totoo
Okay na.
naman.
Na-iway ko pa yun.
Na at least naisip mo yun.
All right, so we're gonna make sure to send this to all of your teammates to make sure that they review it when they come in. He's like looking on his phone. All right, so that was awesome.
Yes. Pero yan, nalaman na natin kung sino talaga yung nabuong mga teammates ni Johnny. Ngayon dito tayo ngayon sa legacy ni Johnny as a coach naman. Okay, dito lang na yan sa The Pro Read. Welcome to The Pro Read mga kakalbros. Andito tayo ngayon with the Flying A Johnny Abarrientos. Kanina pa kayo dito, ngayon lang kayo papalakpak. Okay. Johnny A, nung nag-guest namin dito si Nelson, tinanong namin siya kung ano yung naisip niya at magre-retire na siya. Ang sinabi niya na nag-usap kayo na kung magiging mag-teammate kayo, pwede na siya mag-retire. Ano yung storya dun?
Kasi nung nasa championship battle kami between Sunkist and Alaska, tagal din nung era na yun. So, parang sabi niya gusto niya raw ako maka-teammates. Hindi niya alam na hoping din ako na one day gusto ko rin siyang maka-teammates. Kasi of all the bigs na nakita ko nung bata ako, pinanood ko nung high school ako when he was started sa UM. Sabi ko ibang klase itong iba yung strength nung isang, they call him Bull ngayon, no?
Until now.
Until now.
Yeah. Until now.
The Bull.
Tapos experiencing play against Bull, parang grabe, sobra talaga. Kaya medyo na-hurt din ako nung late na siya na-announce na 50 greatest player. For some reason, I don't know. Pero for me kasi, he's one of the top scoring player on his time. Diba, Kuya Benji? Alam mo yan. kayo yung nandoon Benji, Bull, si Alvin, kayo nandoon na if I choose, sabi ko napakahirap niyang side na yan. Pero sabi ko sa kanya, I hope one day makasama ko si Bull before he retires. And sabi ko nga, sobrang favor ni Lord for me kasi inasa ko ni Coach Chot that time when I was with Pop Cola, when I got traded. Sabi niya, tinanong niya ako, meron ka pa bang big na gustong kunin para makasama mo? Sabi ko, kaya ba natin makuha pa si Nelson? Yun lang yung request ko. Sabi niya, sige, kausapin natin. Then, all of a sudden, Nelson was showed up. So, sobra. Then, hindi ko rin na-realize na gusto rin pala ako maka-teammates ni Bull. Sobrang kaya sobrang enjoy kami.
So, kumbaga, pareho pala kayo.
Yes.
Pareho niyong gusto maging teammate.
Yes, maging teammate. Kasi we never give us a chance kasi medyo yung age gap, 'di ba? Parang 4 or 5 years Kuya Nelson older than me. Pero
hindi kasi saka superstar siya ron sa kabila. Ikaw superstar sa kabila.
Sobra.
Ang hirap pagsamahin.
Kaya nga So yung chance parang, 'di ba? Parang ang liit. Kahit si Big Pablo Yes. Kasi Batman and Robin kami before ng college. We separate ways nung PBA. So parang dream ko sana makasama ko siya. Last minute, retire na siya, naghinebra ako. Sabi ko, sabi ko, Vic, baka pwede ka pa. Kulang kami ng shooter. Yun. So nagkaroon pa kami ng chance. Ang sarap ng feeling.
Totoo yun.
We won championship together pa rin. Finally, before he retired, kasi nauna siya mag-retire sa akin. So, sobra akong na-bless kasi nakasama ko siya. Kasi yun din yung dream ko
So how was it like, diba, you mentioned that you used to watch him, when you were in high school, and then finally you were teammates. How was it? Do you remember parang the first assist you gave to him or,
To Nelson.
Yeah, to Nelson, for Nelson.
Yes, first post assist na binigay ko kay Papa Nelson. He spin up, tapos parang nilagay niya yung bola. So, sabi ko, ganun na ganun yung move na nakita ko when I used to watch you, sabi ko sa kanya. Nung high school ako, you are in college, championship game, he played for my former college team. Sabi ko, dream ko sana makasama ko to. Grabe, sobra talagang na-inspire ako siya. Grabe siya maglaro. Until nung pag-PBA niya, Papa Benz, nakita mo naman yun. Kahit sino rin yung pinoposterize noon after ni...
Kasi, di ba, during the San Miguel era, Hector Calma era, Mon Fernandez era, Alan Caidic.
Yes.
Nung dumating si Nelson, parang it's the Nelson Asaitono show. Yeah. Talagang pag sinabi mong San Miguel, it's Nelson Asaitono.
We played them in the finals, Game 7. In his 3 games, he scored 40 points consistently after the game.
Unfair.
Grabe. So what we do, let him score whatever he wants.
Yeah.
We stop everyone
else. Yeah.
Antay mo na lang mapagod.
Yes, napagod siya. Yun yung nangyari. Napagod si Bull and we won the... So, good for us kasi naging effective yung namin, yung strategy namin. Pagod siya. Sa kanya lahat ng bola, sikat siya. Pero at the end of the day, we won the championship. Pero grabe talaga siya umiscore.
You know what I noticed with Johnny here, with all of our guests, si Johnny lang parang he's a fan of everybody before reaching, and then
that's true.
Were there ever moments in the game where you did something to maybe someone, or let's say you broke someone's ankle, or you scored on someone, or you passed to Nelson, and you were like, wow, that just happened. That's so cool.
Yes. Ang daming opportunity na na experience ko. Sobra. Yun ngang binantayan lang ako ng isang Hector Calma, like I mentioned earlier. Parang dream come true to na alam mo yun, halos lahat ng movement, kung paano niya dinidirect yung game. Sobra akong na-amaze nung dumating na yung time na eto na kalaban ko na. Totoo ba to? Parang ganun.
So parang I have to stop being a fan.
Yes.
It's time to play.
Yes, it's time for me to play. Kailangan, I need to battle. Yeah. That's my coach told me, Coach Joel Banal. Partner, you need to play, you need to compete.
Stop taking pictures with these guys.
Kasi parang, alam mo yun, bumabagal ako dun sa game ko kasi I admired people. I looked up so much. Parang
siguro minsan just watching also, it's like, oh, wow. Sorry. I mean.
Same thing with me with Mon Fernandez. First game ko
Yes.
Kaya hindi ko alam, magsishake hands ba ako?
Yes, starstruck.
Yes. Tapos di ako pinansin. Talo kami sa manang loob ko. Yung pala, diskarte lang niya. Pero sarap-sarap kasama.
Yes.
Pero ngayon, being an assistant coach, ano yung naging madali ba or mahirap? Being a star player, tapos naging coach ka, hindi ba mahirap na yung meron kang pinapagawa sa player na ba't di yung magawa, kaya kong gawin yan? Yes. Nangyari ba yun?
Solid question, no, Kuya Ben. I think this is my battle cry over and over, almost every year, no, just to be as a head coach. Siguro ito yung ano ko dito matitest yung temper ng isang Johnny Abariendo sa pagko-coach. The way I see it, it's a different ball game.
Yeah.
From coaching standpoint to a player. Sobra. If they understand it, malalaman mo lang yung pag nandoon ka na. Pag na-realize mo na, pag coach ka na. When you retired. Tsaka mo maintindihan yung mga sinasabi ng coach sa'yo when you used to play. Kasi, nung ginagawa ko siya, pag tinuturo sa akin, parang, oops, okay, ganito lang siya. Pero, nung coach na ako, ba't ganun? Bakit ganito? Parang ang hirap sa inyo. Perfectly well said, Kuya Bench. Yun ngayon yung ano ko pinipilit kong mai-adjust for me sa sarili ko. Kasi, I think mas makakatulong ako on the side ng assistant coach to motivate player rather than to coach everyone. Kasi parang ang hirap pakisamahan nung 12 players, dapat alam mo lahat, bawat ugali niyan. 'Di ba? Bawat attitude, bawat character, you need to bring it together and hold it para mapasunod mo sila. For me kasi, ako as a player, ginagawa ko yun on my own. When I used to play, kailangan ginagather ko yung team. Ngayon parang hirap gawin as a coach. Why? Kasi na-challenge ako Ba't parang hindi mo kayang gawin to? Sobrang simple lang. Hindi pala ganun yung basketball. Hindi mo sila pwedeng i-compare to yourself na dapat ganito ka mag-step. No. Can't be. Sobrang hindi pwede. So, nung naintindihan ko siya as I go along, kailangan ko palang bumaba dun sa level na gusto kong matuto. Gusto ko silang ma-reach out para maintindihan nila ako. Kasi I look up still pa rin as a player Hindi coach So ngayon, parang kailangan maintindihan nila. Yung experience ko na kailangan yung ganitong gawin mo, step by step, para ma-approach mo sila ng tama. Para ma-motivate mo sila ng tama.
Kasi sinabi mong 12 players, nakakusapin mo. 12 players, parang 12 different approach.
Yes.
12 different
diba?
attitudes. 12
Kasi hindi lahat yan
parents,
pare-pareho So yun yung pinakamahirap. So kumbaga parang it's testing your patience.
Yes.
So yun yung pinaka-importante.
Yes. As a player, when I used to, parang okay ako Kaya ko lahat yun. Kaya ko sila lahat. Pero as a coach, parang hindi ko alam kung kakayanin ko. That's why until today, I never step up as a head coach.
I think also because as a player, you deal with what's happening on the floor.
Yes.
Right there during the game. As a coach, you deal with everything.
Every
Hindi lang sa sport,
Exactly.
pati sa bahay nila or sa personal life,
Exactly.
sa school.
Kasi you treat them as a family
Yeah.
Right from your practice plan, dun lahat mag-start yun Then after that, yung family plan. Kailangan malaman mo kung anong ginagawa nila so you player know kung nakapagpahinga ba ng maayos.
Right.
Even,
why are you affected? Why are you playing like this?
Like this. Exactly.
Mahirap kasi pag sinabi ng player, siya na coach, nagka-problema. Ba't mo dadalhin dito? Hindi pwedeng ganun.
Hindi. Diba?
So, okay. Let's talk about it. So, kailangan pakinggan and then,
correct.
Doon din, di ba? Kakausapin mo siya hanggang sa matapos kayo and then, okay, balik tayo rito.
Especially ngayon kasi we're dealing with a different generation.
Yeah.
So if a lot of people want to talk about their problems. Actually, I have a question. We were talking about play style, the time that you guys were playing versus today. So as a coach, do you ever parang tell your players, tama na yung mga 3, tama na. Or like, di ba, talagang iba yung playing style ngayon
Exactly different talaga, totally.
The Steph style.
Yes, ngayon yung era, more on threes Parang when you hit threes, parang sikat ka. Sobra yung feeling, di ba? Kasi, una, ang layo sa goal. Nung may era, and Kuya Benji's era kasi, more paint touches more inside game, high percentage shot. Di ba? Ganun kami. Close to the basket, better high percentage. Now,
diba?
Sa sobrang high-tech na rin kasi ng basketball nowadays. Parang
pwede magdadala ka ng bola, pwede mo na itire. Di ba?
Yes.
Sa atin, bawal dati.
Bawal yun, exactly.
Uupo ka kagad.
Especially with the triangle offense, you need to
bawal.
make 5 passes before take shots. You need to force the players. Everyone has touches.
Movement,
yes.
yeah.
So kumbaga titira ka lang pag talagang you're 100% free.
Free.
So kaya iniikot yun. Kaya iniikot yun
Not now.
In trying. Ngayon, hindi tayo.
In the face, sa Golden State, siguro, one inbound lang. That's it. Shoot anywhere. But that's Steph.
Sobra nga yung 24 seconds sa kanila.
Yeah. Yes. But everyone thinks they're Steph Curry.
Yeah, that's
Steph Curry is Steph Curry. That's it.
Yes.
Diba? Kasalanan ni Steph
that's
talaga.
the hype and influence of the NBA, diba? Steph Curry. So lahat, kahit na big man ngayon, diba? Feeling Steph Curry. Step back
Kaya
nowadays.
nga sinasabihan ko yung mga players dati na please stop watching the NBA. Okay, you're a fan, go ahead. Pero please try to watch EuroLeague.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi yung EuroLeague, grabe umikot yung bola.
Systematic, yes.
Para bago ka makashoot, paano nangyari yun? Saan papaisip kayo?
Agree.
Pero anyway, speaking of being a coach, nag-Grand Slam kayo ni Coach Tim. Tapos ngayon naman, kanina binanggit mo, nag-Grand Slam na naman kayo. Yes. So ano yung feeling mo at ano yung naging connection yung dalawa na para ma-achieve mo itong nangyari?
At first, sobrang hirap, no? Kasi galing kami from different teams. Ako from Ginebra, he was with Alaska. Nung na-transfer kami ng San Mig Copy, kinonect namin with his system. Tapos we try to, tinrabaho namin little things dun sa mga players individually para ma-adapt nila yung sistema right here and there. Iba yung kinumbay ni Coach Tim that time when we got in San Mig Copy. Good thing about players so excited under Coach Tim. Siyempre, new coach, 'di ba? Excited sila, Grand Slam coach.
Champion, eh.
So everyone buy in dun sa sistema ng Triangle. So ang dali namin napatakbo. With Coach Jeff around, Coach Olsen, Coach Richard. Then all of a sudden, kasi yung Purpose buo na siya eh. When we get there, buo na siya eh. Kaya lang, nagkaroon lang ng konting twist dun sa sistema. So, yung mga different personnel, kung san yung strength nila, dun lang kami sumunod. Tapos nag-twist lang ng triangle si
Coach. Di ba nagkulang ang bola sa player?
Yun na nga eh. Diba? Yun yung exciting eh. Kasi before, siyempre, iba yung yung time ng Simon, iba yung time ng Pingris, ng James Yap. Meron sila kanya-kanyang quarter.
Oo eh.
So, we put in together at the same time. Then, nakuha na si Joe Devans, nandun pa nung time na yun. So, parang sumobrang dali ng basketball for us.
Yung kasi yung triangle, wala namang specific shooter dyan or scorer. Kung sino lang yung malibre talaga.
Tama. Kung saan yung option na papasok yung bola, yun yung magiging option niya. Wala siya talagang definite na, ikaw yung i-score. Hindi ganun yung triangle. Yeah. It's all systematic talaga. 15 meters apart, kailangan balance kayo lagi.
Ngayon naman, playing with RJ. Ngayon, ano ba paano kayo dyan? Parang, hindi mo ako tito rito ha. Coach mo ko. Paano ba yung approach mo?
Yes. That's why they got me here because of this business. We have a goal na kailangan natin ma-accomplish. Kailangan natin ma-reach out. So, kailangan one page tayo rito. Pag nasa game tayo, kailangan makinig ka sa akin. Diba? Unlike pag nasa bahay kami, syempre, body-body. Pero pagdating dito, tito mo ko and coach mo ako. So, you need to follow. I work on him most especially on the defensive end. Kasi yun yung problema ni RJ.
Yun lang. Yung offensive, okay.
Offensive side, wala siyang problema eh. He can do whatever he wants. But, there's still limitation. Kasi minsan, sobrang fancy, parang kulang na yung touches ng ibang mga players, parang two-man game na lang ng two-man game. Ayaw ni Coach Tim nun. So, kailangan, everything was start and finish with the triangle. Two-man game will end it up pagka wala na talaga tayong option na pwedeng gawin. Yan na lang yung magiging last option natin.
Pero hindi ka ba nag-suggest kay Coach Tim? Coach, medyo pwede ba tayong umiwas muna sa triangle? Parang...
Yan ang hindi ko alam kung kaya kong sabihin.
Coach, wala na nag-champion tayo. Grand Slam puro triangle.
How long has Coach been using the triangle? His whole life?
Basta nung Chicago Bull
era. Yes.
Michael Jordan era with the triangle.
Yes.
Yun na yun. Pero ang hirap kasi during their time, Bong Hawkins can post up.
Yes.
Tapos sa wing, andyan si Jolas. Yes. And andyan si Carriazo. Tapos point mo. Ang hirap.
So the triangle really only works if you have the right
If you have 5 good players
okay.
who can score.
Yes. If you have the right personnel.
Right.
Kasi pag hindi, let's say, ang baraha mo rito is big man, hindi pwede.
Wala bang square?
One-on-one, hindi rin pwede.
Wala bang square?
Lahat na yung square na galing.
Okay.
Ngayon, let's talk about Coach LA naman. Ano yung, nagkaroon ba kayo ng major adjustment nung nawala siya? Tapos, naging nakalaban niyo pa.
Oo.
Ano ba yung... Kasi lately naman nung nawala siya, medyo hindi na siya kasama sa rotation nyo, di ba?
Yes.
So, ang masasabi mo ba na good for him na wala na siya dahil naging head coach siya sa kabila, or medyo mahirap siyang kalaban dahil alam yung sistema nyo?
Both your question as 100% right, Kuya Benj. Kasi bad for the team kasi nawalan kami ng leader. Number one. Nawalan kami ng pure point guard na leader. Good for LA kasi he's a head coach now. And one thing, he take advantage because he knew exactly what's going on on our system. Diba? So, yun yung bad on our side. Kailangan naming mag-twist na from 100 to 380, 60 degree para ma-outbalance namin siya. Kasi kami, wala kaming idea sa Magnolia eh. Ngayon, ang pinapatakbo niya yung Flintstone offense. Which is hindi rin naman, alam ni Coach Tim, pero hindi siya masyado familiarize.
Ano yung Flintstone?
Same as triangle, but backward.
Okay.
Yes. Parang ano siya, 2-1-2 formation, puro backpick naman siya, puro backpick action. Same thing, tapos nag-end up ng triangle.
More siya, no? College siya, basketball.
Yes. College system. More fast-paced siya na college system.
Kasi it will also work for us now kasi ano na tayo ngayon, wala na tayong illegal defense.
Yes.
So both triangle at yung Flintstones offense, it works, di ba?
Yes.
So ngayon, nabanggit mo kanina, you're so blessed winning the Grand Slam, winning an MVP, Finals MVP, then winning a Grand Slam champion with Coach Tim as an assistant coach. Ano pa ba yung sa career ni Johnny A na outside basketball that you want to achieve?
Hindi ko alam kung anong plano ni Lord for me, no? Up to now. But, syempre, as my passion to be in a culture of basketball, kasi may kasabihan kami sa Alaska before, parang good enough never is. Parang we're only good as our last game. We're only best coach as our last game.
Yeah.
So, tomorrow is a different story for us to look for and to be excited for. Ako, that's the way I see my future. Whatever God puts me in, siguro yun yung tinitignan ko. Kailangan maging excited ako whatever it is. Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung plano niya for me right now. Pero I'm really blessed na nakabalik ako sa Ginebra with Coach Tim. Siguro right now, I'm still looking forward for more finals first, and championship in the future. Hopefully. Kasi nga, parang yun yung ano ko yun yung naging pedigree ng buhay ko. Parang kailangan maging competitive ako every single day while I'm still there. Parang yun yung pinapasok ko or pinipilit kong maintindihan ng mga players. Habang nandito kayo, make the most of 100% that you have. Kasi hindi kayo magre-regret after a while when you close your book.
Yeah.
And when somebody opening up, like your kids, your son, daughters in the future, you left or you remembered kasi may iniwan ka. Kasi whether you like it or not, dumaan ka eh. Pero pag wala kang iniwan na mark, they never remembered you na naglaro ka dyan.
Yeah.
So sayang kasi yung opportunity na nandiyan ka na eh. Do as best as you can. Dahil whether you like it or not, you will park your shoes and you hang your jersey.
Yeah.
Tama.
In any given time at the end of the day. Kasi you never hold back the future eh. Yung tomorrow, hindi naman natin hawak eh. Kung ano yung meron tayo today, diba, will taking care of itself. Dahil yung bukas, lahat yung kontrolado ng creator natin eh. So ako, blessed and thankful lang ako. Habang nandyan, pinagkakatiwalaan ako, I need to do my part to help them out, to motivate them, to look in the big picture every single day. So, kung saan man niya ako dadalhin, bahala na si Lord. Pero ngayon, nandito ako. Mag-enjoy ako.
Yung style mong paglalaro, tinuturo mo ba yan sa mga players ngayon?
Yes.
Talaga.
As best as I can, gusto ko ituro sa kanila. Sabi ko nga, kung kaya ko lang i-share yung, alam mo yun, yung thinking na meron ako eh. I will do so kasi tapos na naman ako eh. Pero hindi kasi lahat binigyan ng special talent ni Lord eh, 'di ba? We have different fingerprints.
Yeah.
Sabi nga ni Lord. Hindi pwedeng ma-clone or pwedeng ma-clone pero still different. Kaya dapat maintindihan mo yung player na nasa side mo kung ano lang yung pwede niyang maibigay at kaya niyang gawin para sa'yo. Tapos dun mo siya i-motivate.
I think if ever I had your talent and you say that your playing days are over, I think that you almost can live through if you give someone inspiration or if you teach something to somebody, you can say, okay, or if you showed someone a move and then they do it,
Yes.
you're like, I showed them that, and they will bring that with them for the rest of their lives.
Yes.
So what is the legacy that you want to leave? I mean, I think we heard a lot of it, but what would be the lasting legacy of Johnny A?
Siguro, never stop aiming and dreaming whatever career you right now. Kasi the moment you stop, everything will stop.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi ka na nag-enjoy. So, ako, I'm not going only because I'm into the basketball world. Hindi lang yun yung tinitignan ko. Whatever career they are right now, treat is every day is their last day. Kasi that's how I approach my basketball career. Parang para ma-improve ko, para makakumpit ako dun sa Land of the Giants, i-treat ko tong game na to as my last game.
Yeah.
Kasi tomorrow is different game for me. Pwedeng best player ako today, tomorrow zero ako.
You could get hurt. Yeah. Something can happen.
So, kailangan kong mag-improve every single day as much as I can para makakumpit ako, para magstay ako dyan until such time na sabihin ko na maybe this is the end for me.
Yeah.
I think to park everything I used to.
How about
So, ano yan, parang tayo, di ba? Parang we need to do our best kasi
do better, Benji?
yeah,
Try.
I know.
Try mo.
I know.
Galingan mo.
I know.
Okay.
Pero di ba?
Wait,
Mamaya.
I have a question. If GMA or ABS-CBN called you ngayon and said, Johnny A, will you be with on our show called Dancing with the Stars?
Yeah, tama.
Sale ka ba?
Why not? If they give me a chance, an opportunity.
Ay, pwede. Di ba? Dancing. Dancing with Johnny A. Gandang title yan.
Oh my gosh.
Gagawa tayo
Pag walang
yan.
conflict na schedule, walang problema yan.
Nice.
So,
I love to.
Di ba naisip na magtayo ng isang agency or magtayo ng isang dancing parang lesson
Dance studio?
dance studio? Mga ganun.
Well,
I'll think about it before.
Pero yung mga kasama mo dati, asa na?
O yung iba nasa States, yung iba nandito lang, rumarakit-rakit pa rin on the side. Pero maraming nag-approach sa akin, ba't di daw ako magtayo ng Johnny Abarientos Basketball Clinic?
Yeah, I was gonna say that.
Parang
Oo nga naman, ba't ba inisip ko
Oh gosh, I was like, where are you going with this? I was like,
Point
okay.
Guard Academy, parang ganun.
I'll do better next time.
But in the Johnny A, like parang basketball clinic, syempre, you can teach some dance and then like parang ito yung warm up. So this is the samba, this is the whatever, and then but you can show why dance is important, footwork, and not only in basketball but in other sports also. So
Yes.
let's make it happen.
Yes, I'll try to, no? But I'm pretty sure they will help them. Na
Yeah, for sure.
If they
for sure.
come up together from dancing into basketball. Kasi most of my friend and other players I've known na magagaling maglaro, when you bring him to the dance floor, they know how to dance. That's given.
Yeah.
Diba? Most especially Black American people.
They're born that way.
Yeah.
See? That's the rhythm eh.
May rhythm.
Yes,
They were born like that.
Yes.
Pag lumabas sa
Pag iniwan mo no, sa dance floor.
Dance floor, yes, diba?
Hindi pag white guy, no?
What's this? Alam mo yan.
Not everyone can do that eh, diba?
Yeah, totoo
In
yan.
reality,
Yeah.
Kasi meron shy type, diba? May
Yeah.
parang hindi sana, hindi given na.
Saka
pero,
iba yung marunong ka sumayo na pag may narinig kang music, di ba?
Yes.
Yung rhythm mo, hindi isa lang na ganun.
Yan.
May rhythm yun eh.
yes.
So, ganun eh.
yung beat,
Yes,
yung beat,
exactly.
every beat that you hear, parang alam mo sabayan.
Yeah.
Diba? Especially yung mga uso, I said the uso dance. Pag nakita mo, pag isang tingin mo lang, alam mo na eh, kaya mo nang sabayan eh. Kasi you used to do that before.
I know that one of the great Los Angeles or Oakland Raider football players, Lynn Swan, he studied ballet.
Really?
He studied ballet. Yeah. And that's because he would leap out for the ball, a lot of jumping.
Oh, yeah?
That's a different kind of dance. I don't know if Johnny A does ballet.
I surprised.
Ballet with Johnny A.
Yeah, iba yun.
Surprise.
All right. Well, you know what, Johnny? I want to say thank you so much.
Thank you.
for coming
My
here.
pleasure.
It's
my pleasure.
It's very rare that we get to have a Johnny a legendary person here. I mean, I'm sitting next to one also. I mean, I have to give
I know, right?
Benji the props as well. But the stories that these two have that we didn't say on air, I'm pretty sure are very, very long. How is it actually like playing against Benji?
Oh, amazing. Rookie MVP. Never again. only Kuya Bench.
Yeah, that's it.
Only Kuya Bench. Wala na.
Yeah.
So, ano yan?
And
Sobrang ano yan.
Sila naman yung era nila sa Alaska. It's really an honor to be playing with these guys na as in best 5 of the PBA nasasabi natin yung Alaska.
That's the Alaska best team. Game so far I ever played against the Shell. Game 7 until the last minute, you'll never know who won the game.
So you've seen his shadow.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. All the time.
So this is Johnny.
Yes.
This is what he looks like. Okay.
So, pero parang unfair naman. Like, last time RJ was here. Di ba?
Yeah.
Then si RJ sumayaw.
Oo nga eh.
Tapos tinanong ko, sino mas magaling? Ako.
Sabi niya, siya daw
Mas magaling ka sumayaw sa tito mo? Oo naman. Parang di ako niniwala dun. Di ba? Ano bang meron tayong sayaw? Ano bang meron tayo diyang ano?
Meron dyan.
Ano ba meron ba kayong tango? Ano ba yung music ng knapsack no?
Naku, hindi ko na matandaan yung mga hip-hop dance yun.
Hip-hop?
Hip-hop ano ni? Hip-hop, ore. Yeah.
Alam mo to? That's not even an old dance. That's it. Oh.
Gawin natin yan. Dito. Sagita si Johnny. Okay, paano?
Oh man. This is
1, 2,
Grabe, parang baliwala kay Johnny.
This is a career highlight for me. This is a career low light for Johnny. Uh-oh. I got this one. Okay. Look it. I'm dancing with Johnny A. Benji, get out of here. Me and Don.
Okay, go.
Oh yeah. All right.
Yeah, right there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh man, I got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
The one and only flying dancing
Thank you so much.
A.
Thank you.
Johnny
Thank you so
A.
much.
Grabe, you're surprising me every time.
Thank you. Ay, ano pa pala tayo? Extra, go.
Okay, Kakal Bros, thank you for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed our cuento here with, of course, the one and only dancing A, flying A, Johnny Abrientos. Don't forget to follow us on our socials, Basketballeros with the Cal Bros, on Facebook, IG, YouTube, and Spotify.
And make sure to like, just only like.
That's it.
Good comments only, subscribe, and share this episode. Narinig na natin ang mga picks ni Johnny. Kayo naman, anong pick nyo? Sino ang best teammates ni Flying A? Drop your answers in the comments below. See ya, people!
Bye!
Ladies and gentlemen, dance tutorial with the Flying A.
Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright. You were dancing through the lightning strikes. Oh, so sleepless in the onyx night. But now the sky is opalite. Oh, 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 oh.
Siya na lang.